This video is going to have two parts. First of all, I am extremely excited to welcome Gerry, a dear friend of mine for over 10 years, a 30-plus year veteran of this trading industry, a man who contributed to my trading journey, and I believe and I have seen already that he has a lot to offer to this community. So he has his own channel now in the members area. Wednesday and Thursday he was in the public area. You can look in the public area back Wednesday and Thursday. You're going to see a number of his trades. From my count, between Wednesday and Friday, he had 9 trading calls altogether. 8 were profitable. Not only that, the one losing trade was about $300 per contract. His biggest winning trade, his target, was around $900 per contract, and even more. I'm being somewhat conservative. Talking about your win-loss ratio, this is what you can expect from this man. Gerry is a phenomenal trader. He's just a wealth of information, not only directly related to trading, but you can ask him anything about economics or finance and he can just start talking. I mean, the man knows absolutely everything, it seems, about this business, about this industry, and I think his contribution will be very valuable here. After Wednesday and Thursday, I asked if Gerry should have a channel in this server, and my inbox exploded. Yes, so he has now a channel. Friday was his first day in this channel. He called a number of trades. I want to just talk about a very specific trade because I found that trade to be particularly impressive. So here it is. So Friday at 12:26, so we're talking Friday afternoon in July. Myself, I am already done. S&P already hit all my targets. I'm just sitting there doing nothing. And Gerry spots this setup. So he basically says a test of 73, so 56, 73 in S&P, if firms will go to 92 and 96. So Friday afternoon, Gerry basically calls a 20-point trade in S&P. So let's take a look at it. That's how amazing this is. So 1226 was the post. Price is around 76. Went a bit lower even. You could even pick it up a bit better, but let's call it 76. So price is at 76, and he's calling for 92 and 96. Again, a reminder, this is Friday afternoon in July. You would think just sideways and that's it. Gerry calls basically a 20-point move in the S&P, and well, you didn't have to wait long. Just very quickly reaches 92 and 96. I mean, I was sitting there, and I mean, again, I know Gerry for a while. I was still sitting there with my mouth open. That's how impressive this was. I mean, clean, no heat on the trade, right to a 20-point target. Again, not like at session open, but in the afternoon on a Friday. Doesn't get any more amazing than this. So Gerry's going to be posting in his channel in the members area. My understanding is he's going to have between 1 and 3 trade signals a day. Obviously, everything depends on volatility. He's not just going to be posting signals for the sake of posting signals. Things need to line up right. And so, on average, 1 to 3. And I'm telling you, the man's winning rate is ridiculous. Um, and his targets, obviously, again, depending on volatility, are far bigger than his stops. So again, just very excited to welcome Gerry. I think it's a great fit. I think he offers some diversity. We don't have exactly the same trading styles, which is a good thing. A good thing. A diversity is a good thing. We don't all have the same trading personalities. Again, for me, by this time on Friday, I don't like to trade. I'm done, and that's it. But Gerry is able to spot these kinds of setups and communicate them effectively. Entries, targets, stops. I mean, really good. By the way, Gerry is willing to teach his approach, or at least I imagine some aspects of his approach. Unlike me, I have no time for mentoring right now. Gerry does have this opportunity. So his email, please don't email me. Gerry's email is in the description. Drop him an email if you have any questions, and he will respond. To the second topic. For the past 2 weeks, I've been running a new channel again in the members area where I post precise entries for as many markets as I can find. If I see a nice setup, I place a buy and a sell triggers for a market that sets up nice. I've been using a 150K valuation account to trade these signals specifically. They're designed to have quick targets, so for scalping purposes. But those who follow, you guys see that very often there are some very big moves. Just Friday, yesterday, the YM gave a potential of over 300 points. I mean, so big moves are definitely possible, but at first, because they come from a smaller time frame, I would use those as scalping trades. So in a public area, you can see I post videos, kind of recap. Friday was day 5, and every day I try to show different trades, again based on the signals that I post in that intraday trade levels channel. This was day 4, going back. So you can check those out, and basically what we are trying to do is we are trying to address every trading style so that every trader in this community can hit a reasonable daily goal. Pass prop firm evaluation accounts, grow and keep funded accounts, and get payouts. I mean, that is the purpose of this server. And now with Gerry being part of this community, it just opens up a whole new ocean of opportunities to hit those reasonable daily targets. So if you were a subscriber in the past, maybe things didn't quite work for you, consider trying this again. We offer a lot more now, and you might find something that speaks to you. If you never tried us, give us a try. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. If nothing else, I think you will learn a lot about how these markets work. Thank you all. See you next time.